How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can hollow your 3D model in the Lychee Slicer. So the first thing that you want to do is to just click on the prepare option. In here, navigate through the override option. And then basically we have the advanced, we have basic ones, and you could just navigate it to something like advanced. And to make your model right here hollow, what you need to do is to simply remove the infill density. So I'm going to move to the basic one, and then I'm going to simply decrease the infill density into something like 0. And then if I navigate through the middle print right here, as you can see, the object is now a hollow inside. But if we do something like 75% infill, it will then fill up those hollow parts. And then basically, once again, you could just make sure that you have removed the infill density and you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.